The beauty of insects. A journey into nature's most amazing creations. Orchid mantis. The similarity of its appearance to a flower is how it got its name. It has a pink and white body and its lobed legs resemble petals. It typically inhabits flowers to blend in with the blooms to avoid being spotted by either its prey or predators. It also sways back and forth as it moves to mimic wind-blown flowers. Spotted tortoise beetle. The spotted tortoise beetles are tiny golden-brown beetles with black dots on their elytra. Their body is about the size of a ladybird, and they have a covering carapace that resembles a tortoise's shell in terms of protection. The carapace is transparent, dome-shaped, and has flat margins. Pyrops candelaria. The lanternfly is a strange yet lovely species of plant hopper that grow 2 inches in length and native to China and Southeast Asia. It is known for its long rostrum or nose that resembles a rhino horn. The rostrum is a tool used to perforate fruits, plants, and trees to get juices and sap for consumption. Despite having wings, it prefers to hop rather than fly. Fireflies. Everyone knows how fireflies got their name, but many people don't know how the insects produce their signature glow. Fireflies have dedicated light organs that are located under their abdomens. The insects take in oxygen and, inside special cells, combine it with a substance called luciferin to produce light with almost no heat. Deaf-leaf butterfly. When its wings are closed, the species looks exactly like a dried autumn leaf, giving it the cleverest camouflage a butterfly could want. But when its wings are open, it reveals a luminous color pattern that can hold its own against the world's prettiest wings. The green dragontail. The green dragontail butterfly hails from southern and southeastern Asia, primarily in Sumatra, Java, Sulawesi, and Borneo regions. They are a member of the swallowtail family. These butterflies are not only beautiful, but have totally transparent portions of their wings. Male dragontails suck up a great deal of water from which the dissolved minerals are filtered, and the water squirted from the anus. Dragontails live in tropical and subtropical rainforests, mostly near streams, waterfalls, and rivers. They also hang out on leaves found near bushes. Io moth caterpillar. This guy might look as harmless as moss or artificial turf, but the Io moth caterpillar packs a painful sting. Its trademark spines can cause welts, itching, and redness. Ladybug. Most people like ladybugs because they are pretty, graceful, and harmless to humans. But farmers love them because they eat aphids and other plant-eating pests. One ladybug can eat up to 5,000 insects in its lifetime. Most ladybugs have oval, dome-shaped bodies with 6 short legs. Depending on the species, they can have spots, stripes, or no markings at all. Beautiful demoiselle. The beautiful demoiselle is a species of large damselfly found throughout Europe. The color of its resplendent wings varies depending on the gender. Males have metallic dark blue-green wings, while females have lustrous brown-green wings. Glasswing butterfly. The glasswing is a species of very popular butterflies known for their typically transparent wings, helping in easy camouflage in the dense forests of the Americas. This makes them quite difficult to trace. Painted grasshopper. Painted grasshopper is a fairly large and brightly colored species of grasshopper found in India, Pakistan, and Afghanistan, especially in drier regions. Both adults and nymphs are toxic. The nymphs are notorious for being able to squirt a jet of noxious liquid at up to around 30 centimeters away when grasped. Luna moth. On adult Luna moths, the overall color is a pale or lime green, with a dark leading edge on the forewings and a long tapering tail on the hindwings. Each of the 4 wings has an eye spot. Jewel beetle. The jewel beetle is the common name for beetles in the Buprestidae taxonomic family. Jewel beetles, also called metallic beetles or wood-boring beetles, are so named because of their distinctive glossy, bright colors and iridescent carapaces. Peacock butterfly. The peacock butterfly is one of the most beautiful butterfly species in the world. It has vibrant lines and patterns all over its rusty red wings with eye spots that are a blend of blue, white, red, yellow, and violet. The eye spots serve as a defense mechanism to deter prospective predators. In response to danger, the peacock butterfly spreads its wings, revealing what appear to be eyes that resemble those of larger animals.